For this, you need an add-on of PDF viewer for WordPress that is called Display PDF Viewer for WordPress Addon, which is created by Theme and Code. Just visit this page. I will put the link in the description and click on Buy Now. Choose the plan you need and click Buy Now. You will be redirected to the Theme and Code portal while you can put your information and just click on Purchase. After completing the process, you can download this beautiful add-on called Display PDF Viewer for WordPress Addon. I already have this on my WordPress, so I'm moving on with the next steps. After downloading, go to your WordPress dashboard. To install this add-on, go to Plugins and then Add New, and then click on Upload Plugin. Browse from your computer, select the Display PDF Viewer for WordPress Addon and click on Open. Now click on Install Now. As I already have this plugin, I am not doing this anymore. You need to do this on your WordPress site, and also you need to install PDF Viewer for WordPress. Follow the same process for PDF Viewer for WordPress as well. Make sure you upload the plugin and you have PDF Viewer for WordPress installed on your WordPress, because this is the add-on of PDF Viewer for WordPress. To upload a PDF, go to PDF Viewer and then Add New. You need to make sure you have uploaded a feature image and a description to work perfectly with this add-on. First, put the title, let's say Display Add-on Test PDF, and then scroll down and upload your PDF. Select the PDF that you want to upload and then click Select. Here I am choosing my PDF and then Select. You can change the toolbar options by your own or keep it as it is. And then all you need to do is to set the feature image. Pick an image from your WordPress or upload from your computer, and then click the Set Featured Image button. Then scroll down and put the description that you want to show in your list view. Let me tell you, Theme and Code has an amazing plugin to generate excerpt by using the AI. I'll put the link in the description so that you can check this out as well. Let's put a description here, and when you are done, click Publish. That's how you publish your first PDF viewer.